Of health news now, where the death toll from this coronavirus has risen to 80 at least, with 3,000 people confirmed ill. The number of cases is spreading fast around the world. Health authorities confirm the spread of the disease is accelerating. With me now is Zhang. He's an Israeli resident in China. Thank you so much for being with me. We now know from officials that people are spreading this virus without showing symptoms. Up to 2 weeks, they could infect other people and have no symptoms showing at all. It's almost a pandemic now. Are people afraid in China? Are you afraid knowing it's out there?
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me. I do think that people are a little bit stressed out about the situation overall. At the end of the day, it's spring festival, and in theory, people should be traveling around. But what I see here, is that people are not actually leaving their houses at all. Me, for example, this holiday, I'm just staying at my home for 3-4 days already without actually leaving the house for even 1 sec.
And I want to ask about the spread of the virus. And the Chinese authorities, they have an unprecedented lockdown in place involving tens of millions of people. What's the impact of that?
Well, I'm not sure, exactly quite sure with how many number they're impacting, but am sure that some certain cities and areas are having sort of lockdown, which I think is actually a way for the government to control the spreading of the disease. Luckily, I'm not in this kind of center of such disease, but I do see that people are not moving. And I think those people who are staying in the city that are kind of locked in, are in kind of sort of state that I would call it, they're not able to actually leave the city. But I think it's actually a good measure on the country level, that I think the government has taken some actually quick decisions about disease control. And I think the information actually has been spread quite transparently. And we here in this country, in China, we do see updates of the disease status up on a very almost hourly level, that we get some updates about the confirmed cases and about cases that are suspected.
Updates every hour or so from officials. A good update there from Zhang. Thank you so much, sir. Be safe, and thank you for being with us.